Good morning, friends. Today we are learn about a coordinate geometry. That is our fifth chapter. Chapter number 4, that is a geometric construction, will be studied later on. First point in a coordinate geometry, that is already studied in a ninth standard. That is a given number line. In a given number line, there are O, P, Q, and R points are given, and that corresponds to a number. That's why point P corresponds to -1, point Q corresponds to -4, point R corresponds to a 2 number. These numbers are nothing but the coordinate of that given points. That means coordinate of point P is -1. Coordinate of point Q is nothing but the -4. Coordinate of point R is nothing but the 2. Okay, in ninth standard, we study the distance between a given 2 point in a number line. Now we have to consider here a point P and Q. These 2 point P and Q line joining or the segment joining, that is nothing but the segment PQ. How to calculate the length of segment PQ? Length of segment PQ is written as L of segment PQ, or it may be written as distance of PQ. And the formula is distance of PQ is nothing but the coordinate of P minus coordinate of Q. That means we have here written as coordinate of P, that is given, and that is nothing but the -1. So therefore -1 minus coordinate of Q, and that is nothing but the -4, or given, that is a -4. Okay, here -1 minus minus become +4, that becomes a +3, and that is equal to 3, because distance never be negative. That's why due to this mod, the distance is always positive. Similarly, in second case, distance QR, coordinate of Q minus coordinate of R. Coordinate of Q is nothing but the -4 minus coordinate of R is nothing but the 2. Therefore -4 minus 2, and that is nothing but the -6, and that is equal to 6, because distance will never be a negative sign. That's why we are calculating the distance between any 2 point in a given number line. Suppose these number are given in a xy plane, then how will we calculate the distance between 2 points in a given xy plane? Now firstly we have considering to find the distance between any 2 point on an axis. That means by using this same concept, we can find the distance between 2 points on the same axis in xy plane. That means two-dimensional. Now here we have to considering x and y axis. Here also we have considering x and y axis. Now considering 2 point A and B lie on a x axis. Therefore the coordinate of point A is nothing but the x1, 0. Why this is 0? Because y coordinate is a 0. Second point, that is a B, coordinate are x2, 0, y coordinate is 0. Coordinate of A, x1, 0, coordinate of B, x2, 0. In this case x2 is greater than x1. Therefore by using a similarly formula, coordinate of P minus coordinate of Q, here we can write as a coordinate of A minus coordinate of B, and in this case y coordinate is a 0, 0 or same. Therefore, we can write here x2 minus x1. Okay, and that becomes x2 minus x1. Similarly, in this case, if we have to considering x and y axis and 2 point P and Q are on the y axis, coordinate of P is nothing but the 0 y1 and coordinate of Q is nothing but the 0 y2. 0 0 because this is nothing but the x coordinate and x coordinate is a 0. P coordinates are 0 y1, Q coordinates are 0 y2. X coordinate are same or equal or 0. Then we can write the formula for distance of PQ is nothing but the coordinate of P minus coordinate of Q. Difference coordinate are y1 and y2. Therefore, we can here write as y2 minus y1 and that is equal to y2 minus y1. Here we have to clear that if any 2 point on a only one axis, then their distance between these 2 points are nothing but the distance between these 2 points are nothing but the x2 minus x1 or y2 minus y1. Okay, recalling this concept, first we have considering a number line, then distance between any two numbers is nothing but the coordinate of first point minus coordinate of second point. That means if we have to considering here P and Q, therefore coordinate of P minus coordinate of Q, then difference between these two we get a 3 answer. Similarly here QR, here we get a minus 6 answer, but distance never be minus, therefore by using this mod we can get this negative sign as a positive. Then to find the distance between any 2 point on an a same axis, that means on x axis or y axis. If 2 points lie on a x axis, then distance between their corresponding 2 points is nothing but the x2 minus x1. If 2 points lie on a y axis, then their corresponding distance between 2 points is nothing but the y2 minus y1. Okay friends, thank you.